Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mercari listings for faster approvals and sales step by step clearly. To configure Mercari listings for faster approvals and sales, start by preparing high quality images of your items. Use natural lighting and a clean background to showcase your products effectively. Take multiple angles of each item to provide potential buyers with a thorough view. Next, write clear and concise titles for your listings. Include specific keywords that describe the item accurately. This helps buyers find your listing quickly in search results. In the item description, provide detailed information about the product. Mention its condition, size, brand, and any flaws or unique features. Be honest and transparent to build trust with potential buyers. Set a competitive price by researching similar items on Mercari. This will help you gauge market value and adjust your price accordingly. Consider using Mercari's built-in suggested pricing tool for guidance. When listing, choose appropriate tags that relate to your item. Tags improve the visibility of your listing in search queries. Make sure to select the right category for your item to enhance discoverability. Next, set your shipping options wisely. Offering free shipping can attract more buyers, but make sure to factor it into your pricing. Utilize Mercari's shipping labels for easier logistics and quicker dispatch. Ensure your listings comply with Mercari's guidelines to avoid delays in approval. Check for any prohibited items to streamline the approval process. After creating your listing, review it for any typos or errors. A polished listing reflects professionalism and can lead to quicker sales. Finally, engage with potential buyers promptly. Respond to inquiries and offers quickly to show your commitment to making the sale. Following these steps can enhance your Mercari listings for faster approvals and increased sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.